Hi friends, myself Libin. Today I am going to explain about how to select a stocks for intraday trading by using support, resistance, VWAP and RSI. So we are using a combo strategy for selecting a stocks for intraday. So if you use a combo strategy, we will be getting a better result for our intraday trading. So all those things I will be explaining through this video. So watch completely this video, then only you will be getting a better idea about how to select a stocks for intraday by using combo strategy. Okay, before going to the topic, if you are seeing first time my channel, kindly subscribe my channel. Also enable the bell icon so that you will be getting notification immediately if I upload any new videos. And the same way, like those who are interested to learn more about market, you can visit my YouTube channel Lipin EJ and you can see a lot of videos related to market. So those who are interested to learn more about intraday or delivery or margin, all those things I have updated in my YouTube channel. So you can visit my YouTube channel and you can learn more about market. Okay, let us come to the topic. So today I am going to explain a combo strategy for trading stocks for intraday. So how we can select a stock by using different strategies or a different confirmation. So if you use this strategy, you will be getting multiple confirmation for selecting a stocks. So the first thing, let us see the settings, how we can do the settings for selecting a stock for combo strategy. So the first thing, let us see how to do support and resistance. So for support and resistance, like this, today I am going to explain how we can buy a stock by using combo strategy. Like for selling a stock, I have already done a video in my last video. So those who are not aware about how to sell a stock first by using this strategy, you can go to my suggested videos. I'll be mentioning that video in my suggested videos. So you can go to my suggested videos and you can watch that video, and then you'll be getting an idea how to sell a stock by using combo strategy. So today we are going to explain how to buy a stock using combo strategy. So the first thing is that we have to do the settings. So settings, you can see, like you have to download TradingView application. So in the TradingView application, we can go to the template. So first thing, you have to go to the template. So in the template, you can see there is a sync trading. So here you can see there is a sync trading. So just click on the sync trading. So once you click on the sync trading, you can see that your support and resistance will be added to your chart. So now you will be getting, like you can see, like you can drag, and this one you can make it as larger also. So your support and resistance will be done now. Now the second thing is that you have to select the time frame. So time frame, you can see here, you have to select as, so time frame here you can see you have to select as 5 minutes. So the next thing is that you have to select the candle. So candle, here you can see there is a Fibonacci candle. You have to make it as Fibonacci candle. So now the last setting is that you have to go to the data range. So here you can make it as 1 day. So here you can see there is a 1 day because we are doing intraday. So select this as 1 day. So these are the settings we have to do for support and resistance. So once we are done with the support and resistance, we can identify how to select a stock. So okay, now we have done with the settings. So the second thing is, now we have to identify the stock, like which stock is approaching support and resistance or VWAP and RSI. So based on that, we have to decide. So it means like you have to do lot of things, like lot of exercise we have to do. We have to keep on searching like each and every stock. Then only will be getting an entry, because you won't be getting an entry in a particular stock because we don't know like which stock is approaching support and resistance or which stock is breaking support or resistance or a VWAP line. So everything we have to check. So we need to do a lot of hard work. Then only we will be able to identify like which stock is going to cross. So if the stock is crossing like support and resistance as well as VWAP and RSI, if everything is matching, we can go directly and we can take an entry in that particular stock. So if you see like here early morning, like so always don't trade like first 15 minutes. Okay, so there will be like lot of variation will be happening in the market. So avoid like in the early morning trading, because even I don't suggest trading for first 50 minutes. So just leave it for first 50 minutes. If you see here also, you can see that the Mindtree, because in my Telegram channel also I have suggested Mindtree buy above 1363 was my buying price, and you can see like this was my buying price today for Mindtree, because in the early morning itself I have identified this is closing, but I have waited for some time, because don't take an entry like within 30 first 50 minutes. Okay, just wait for first 50 minutes, and like early morning, you know, like there will be a lot of variation will be happening. So wait for that variation. Once markets settle, then only we have to take an entry. Don't take an entry in a hurry. So always you have to wait until the markets are settled, then only we have to take an entry. So here if you see like first 50 minutes, you can see like the candles are like the candles are very good, but we did not take an entry because we have to wait for the first 15 minutes, then only we'll be getting a better entry. So after the 50 minutes, you can see Mindtree went to the, so Mindtree crossed the support resistance area, and again it came back to the support area. So here you can see with the second candle itself, here you can take an entry, because you know like it is crossed the resistance and came back to and took the support this area. So now this area will be acting as support. So here you can see with the second candle itself we can take an entry, and this area you can take an entry. So here you can see, so by second candle you can see here. So this is the second candle here. Okay, so if you see the second candle, the rate was 1360. So this is what the buying price I have given. So my stop loss was just below this point. So my stop loss was today 1350. So almost only 13 points I was maintaining stop loss. So if we maintain like even 10 point also, it is not going to hit, because we have taken the entry at right time. So the first thing is that we have to identify if it is taking support or resistance. So if it is closing this area, like here you can see there is a red line. So if it is closing this line, then we will not be getting an entry, because here we know like with the second candle itself we have identified that Mindtree has taken as support this area. So this area we can go for a buy side, and this area we can keep as a stop loss. So this is how we have to identify. So we got the first confirmation. So based on support and resistance, we got the first confirmation. We can go for a buy side for Mindtree. So Mindtree right now it is a buy side. So we got a first confirmation. Now we have to do what we have to do means we have to go for VWAP and RSI for a second and third confirmation. If we get a 3 confirmation at a time, we can go and buy a stock. So there is a chance of loss is very less. So here you can see after that the stock is going up, and the high was like almost 70 points. 70 points it went up today. So you can see like my buying price was 363, and if you see the high rate, you can see the high rate here. So it went up, and you can see it went up to the next resistance area. You can like the, so here you can see the next resistance area. Here it went to this. So this area you can see. So it went to 1435. It means almost 70 points up. So this is how we are getting an entry. So if you are taking an entry at right time, you can see our stop loss also only 10 to 15 points is more than enough for an entry, because don't require to maintain a huge stop loss here. So if you take a right entry at right time, our stop loss will be very small, and we will be getting a good target, like from support to next resistance we will be getting a target. So this is how we have to identify the entry, by using support and resistance. So now let us see about VWAP and RSI also. Then we will be getting a better idea how we will be getting a combo strategy, and how we will be getting a multiple confirmation for selecting a stock. So let us see VWAP and RSI now. Okay, now let us see how to set up VWAP and RSI. So for that we can go to our angel broking application, because I am also using angel broking application. We can go to our angel broking application. So here you can see there is a Mindtree. So just click on the Mindtree, then you will be getting a chart here. So just click on the chart. So you can see the chart is open. Okay, just I will remove my settings and I will show you how we can do the settings. So first thing is that once you open, you will be getting a chart like this. So in this chart, you can go to the studies here. Just type as VWAP. So once you type on VWAP, you will be getting like this. Just click on that. So you can see there is a red line is added here. So here you can see there is a red line is added. So this is your VWAP line. So now the second setting you have to do. Is RSI. So again you have to go to the studies. So in the studies you have to type RSI. So once you type RSI, you can see the RSI is here. So just click on the RSI. So you can see the RSI is added here. So again what you have to do means here you can see there is a settings. You have to go to the edit settings. So in the edit settings, the period you have to change to 3. And overboard will be 80 and oversold will be 20. So these are the settings you have to do when you are selecting VWAP and RSI. So now we can see like the RSI and this RSI and VWAP will be added to your chart. And now the thing is that we have to identify where is an entry. So if you see in the early morning, you can see like this area, you can see this is the same area. Okay, you can see like Mindtree only I have selected. In my Telegram channel also I will be showing after this video. And here you can see like the early morning, as I told you, we have to wait for 50 minutes. Okay, don't take an entry early morning. So wait for the 50 minutes to market to settle. So once the market is settled, we can see like it was above the VWAP line. And if you see the RSI also, the RSI also is good, but we do not take an entry because early morning better avoid entries, because you know like a lot of variation will be happening in the first 50 minutes. So after the 50 minutes, the market will be getting settled. So after that only take an entry. So if you see that after 30 minutes, you can see the. So after 30 minutes, you can see. So after 30 minutes, here you can see, okay, after that 30 minutes, you can see it was falling down to the VWAP line. So it was taken support this area. So this area you can see it is taking support here, and after that our entry was here. This area you can see the RSI was. So this is the second confirmation we are getting. Okay. So the second confirmation is that the RSI is above 80%. So when you are going for a buy side, we should have 80. Okay. So the RSI should be above 80. And when you are going for a selling side, the RSI should be 20%. Because in the last video I have already explained. Okay. The same video I have given in my suggested video. So you can go to my suggested videos. Then you will be getting a better idea how we can sell a stock. So for buying, the RSI should be above 80%. So if you see here, we have RSI above 80%. And if you see here, so this area you can see here. This area we can see like with the second candle itself above VWAP line, we can take an entry. So my buying price was 1663. So same rate you can see here. So almost this area you can see this is my buying rate. Okay, here you can see the buying rate, and the same rate you can see like it is the same price I was identified, and even you can see this RSI also is above. So we are getting like this is the second confirmation, and this will be the third confirmation. So we are getting almost 3 confirmation for selecting a stock. So if you select a stock like based on this 3 confirmation, the probability of profit will be higher. So that is the reason we know like how much profit we could make from today. And if you see our Mindtree performance today, you can see like it was went more than 70 points today. So if you see here, overall you can see that after it is crossing the VWAP line, so you can see the red line. So it is not even coming after that to nearby even VWAP line also, because it is moving up such a way up, and at the end of the day you can see now it is almost 1440. It means almost 70 points up. So this is how we are getting a good entry. Like if you are taking like 100 shares also, you know like how much profit you can make. Like you can make more than 7,000 rupees. So this is how we are getting an entry by using combo strategy. So combo strategy is very good for selecting stocks for intraday. And the major thing is that when you are selecting a stock, we have to check the support, resistance, VWAP and RSI. So if everything is matching, we can directly go and buy that stock, and our stop loss will be just below the VWAP line. So here you can keep a stop loss. Same stop loss I will be explaining. Here you can see. So this area you can see. So this area was our entry, and you can see our stop loss also. So just below the stop loss. So this was my stop loss. You can see that after that it is not even coming to 1350, because we are taking at the right time, and because that is the reason that it is not coming to our stop loss. So this is how we have to identify the stop loss our entry point and target also. So your combo strategy is very good for selecting a stocks for intraday trading. So I'll explain you also now my Telegram channel also, like the same code I have provided in my Telegram channel also. So that also I'll be explaining now. Okay, now let us come back to our Telegram channel. So this is a completely free channel. Okay, like those who are interested to join this channel, you can join this channel. The link I have mentioned in my description. So you can go to my description and you can join to this channel. So here you will be getting like all the market updates, like how we can trade on Nifty, Bank Nifty, stocks. So everything, all the updates you will be getting in this channel. And here you can see like exactly like Nifty's performance, everything I will be updating. So in the same way you can see here, you can see there is a Mindtree update also. So Mindtree also. So as I told you, you can see here my Mindtree update. So I told to buy the current market was. So that is what I have told. Like here you can see, like I have mentioned, like after the second candle, you can see like I have mentioned here, Mindtree is on a buy side. We can go for a buy side, and you can see my stop loss also here. And I told to buy 50 to 100 shares because we are not taking too much risk for buying like huge lot and all. So always we have to minimize our risk by reducing the lot size. So always you have to buy like based on our capital. Like if you have a good capital, you can buy like even 200, 300 to 500 shares. Like based on your capital, we have to limit our loss and risk. So after that you can see like how Mindtree has performed. So after that exactly you can see 3168, 370. So after that Mindtree was started to firing. You can see exactly when I have mentioned also here, you can see based on our combo strategy, it started performing here. So exactly the time also you can see like around 10:24 you can see it is like we have selected this stock based on combo strategy, and you can see that after that it is started to move up, and around like around 12 points I told to book the profit. So almost like 12 points is more than enough for us to get a profit. But after that you can see that it went up to, even you can see that the entire day it went up to. So here you can see it went to almost 70 points up. So this is how we are selecting a stock, and you can see even like profit of my group members also, like because I'm sharing like Nifty, Bank Nifty, stocks, everything I'll be sharing in this group. So this group is like absolutely free. Like those who are interested to join this group, you can join. The link I have mentioned in the description. And in the same way, like those who are interested to open an account in Angel Broking or Alice Blue, you can open an account by using my link. The link I have mentioned in my description. Okay, you can go to my description and you can open account in Angel Broking or Alice Blue. And the same way, like those who are interested to learn more about market, you can join my Telegram channel. For that also, the link I have mentioned in my description. So hope today's topic is clear. If you need any clarification related to this topic, you can comment below this video. So if you are really satisfied with this topic, don't forget to like my video. And the same way, you can share this video to your friends who are interested in trading. So kindly subscribe, like, share. Thanks for watching.